This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a terrific Lakeview East location, just west of Lakeshore Drive and just east of Broadway, to tour one of the apartments at Grace Shores. I'm in apartment 446, a one-bedroom, standing in a spacious living, dining, kitchen area. Great spot to lay out your dining room table. Another spot where you could have a great home office and plenty of space for your living room furniture. It's a ceiling fan and a through-the-wall air conditioning unit. Kitchen has a stainless steel appliance package that includes a built-in microwave, dishwasher, 4-burner gas range, white quartz counters, undermount stainless steel sink, gooseneck faucet, tile backsplash, espresso tone cabinetry. Very nice renovation package here. Again, looking at that great genuine oak flooring. Heading back past where you would have entered the apartment, heading toward the bath, we have a coat closet off to the right, and a linen closet with shelving off to the left. The bath has attractive finishes, including gray plank tile, pedestal sink, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, and tile extending up to the ceiling of the tub surround. Bedroom is spacious enough to accommodate any size bedding, and you have a wide wall of closets. Overall, good storage space in this unit. There's an additional ceiling fan and through-the-wall air conditioning unit. The air conditioning and the parking that comes with the building are something you don't always see in apartments in Lakeview. Great location here, short walk from the 18-mile Lakefront Trail, and the Broadway strip of bars, restaurants, and shops. Nicely renovated apartments, a variety of finishes available. Definitely want to put Grace Shores on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.